Welcome back to the library help videos. We are going to get started with the library webpage. You get to the library webpage from the Hempfield Student Resources. There is a link that says libraries, and the LMS library is the third link down. We're going to click on that link and it will take us to the library homepage. Here you will find lots of information about the library. And throughout your classes, we will use different sections. So I'm just going to talk through all the different sections today. When you get to the library page, across the top you'll see Home. You will see Resources, Citation Help, Image Help, and News, new things that are coming up. We are going to start by talking about resources. From the library homepage, you can get to books and ebooks. We have lots of different options for you to read ebooks. We have Destiny and we have Overdrive. Those are our two big ones. We also have some capstone books and we have some learner ebooks as well. And there's a new one that we'll talk about later on called JLG books. Under databases, this is all of our student databases. So databases are little library collections specifically for school. The three you will use the most in middle school are Research and Context, eLibrary, and FactSite. And then depending on the project and the needs that you might have, you might go to World History, you might go to Gale Virtual Reference Library, Cavendish Square, Discovery Education, the Science Reference Center, Culturegrams, InfoBits, historical newspapers, biography and context, Today's Science, and World News Digest. Now, you'll notice that I skipped this one, Power Library. We're going to talk about that one all on its own because this is a special database and we have all kinds of things we need to learn about that one. Sometimes you will have a research project going on in the library, and on this page, you will find LibGuides. Now we'll talk about LibGuides as its own thing, but you will always find the list of all of your LibGuides posted here. Then there are citations, and we will spend a whole video on making sure your citations are good to go and that you're all set up in Noodle Tools. I know everybody used Noodle Tools in elementary school, so this will be a lot of review for you, but we also have all kinds of other tips to help you get started. And then finally, images. This link is also on the student resources page, but this is a LibGuide to help you make good choices about the images you use in school. So that is your tour for the LMS Library webpage. We will use this as the launch pad for a lot of library tools. So we use the student resources page, go back to it so you can see it, as your launch pad to get to library and technology. And then we use the LMS library page as the launch pad to get to library things. See you in the next video.